Hey buddies, how's it going? Welcome back to English Mastery Buddy for leveling up your English skills. I'm Kevin, and today we're diving into something super practical. Master daily English vocabulary. Top 20 phrases to stop avoiding. If you've been struggling to sound natural in English conversations, or you keep avoiding certain phrases because they feel tricky, this video is for you. By the end, you'll have a solid grasp of key phrases to use every day. So, grab a notebook, hit that like button, and let's get started. So the first question maybe you have, why these phrases matter? Let's talk about why these 20 phrases are a game changer. English isn't just about grammar and single words. It's about phrases that native speakers use all the time. These are the expressions that make you sound fluent, confident, and natural. Things like I'm all ears when you're ready to listen, or piece of cake when something's easy. Avoiding them can make your English sound stiff or robotic. But don't worry, I've handpicked the top 20 daily phrases, and today we'll break down some categories with examples you can start using right away. Stick around for it with all 20 phrases. Link in the comments. Category 1. Greetings and small talk. Let's start with greetings and small talk. These are your conversation starters. Instead of just saying hi or how are you, try these. Hey, how's it going? Super casual and friendly. What's up? Perfect for checking in with someone.
How's it going?
Hi, how's it going?
Hey, how's it going?
How's it going?
Hey, how's it going?
So, how's it going?
Okay, how's it going?
So how's it going? How's it going?
How's it going?
So how's it going?
So how's it going?
Tag, how's it going?
Hey, how's it going?
Hey, how's it going?
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 Hey, how's it going?
How's it going?
How's it going?
How's it going?
Hey, how's it going?
What's up?
What's up?
What's up?
What's up?
Stu, what's up?
What's up, man?
What's up, man?
Yeah, what's up?
So what's up?
Hey, Leon, what's up?
Hey, what's up? I'm Spider-Man.
Hey.
What's up?
What's up? What's up, dude?
What's up?
Long time no see. Great for reconnecting with someone you haven't seen in a while.
Long time no see.
Long time no see. Long time no see.
Long time no see.
Long time no see.
Long time no see.
Long time no see.
Long time no see.
Long time no see.
Long time no see, Charlie.
Dan, long time no see.
Long time no see, Sean.
Hey, sweetie, long time no see.
Long time no see, Bob.
Guys, long time no see.
Big brother, long time no see.
You should. Long time no see, Hank Rudy.
Hey, guys, long time no see.
Hello, Jean. Visit Galavat. Long time no see, old friend.
Where's my dad?
Hey, long time no see.
Long time no see.
Yeah, how's Julia?
Double dad! Long time no see.
Long time no see. Long time no see.
Time no see.
Long time no see.
And for responses, instead of I'm fine, say, I'm doing great, thanks for asking. Not much, just chilling. How about you?
I'm doing great.
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 These phrases make small talk smoother and help you connect better. Practice them in the mirror or with a friend. Repetition is key. Category 2. Expressing opinions and agreement. Next up, let's tackle expressing opinions and agreement. If you're always saying, I think or okay, you're missing out. Try these instead. In my opinion, a polite way to share your thoughts.
In my opinion.
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 My opinion?
In my opinion.
I see your point, but great for respectfully disagreeing.
I see your point.
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 I couldn't agree more. Shows strong agreement.
Couldn't agree with you more.
Couldn't agree with you more.
I couldn't agree with you more.
I couldn't agree with you more.
I could not agree with you more.
I could not agree with you more.
For example, if your friend says, "This movie is amazing," you can reply, "I couldn't agree more. The plot is awesome." These phrases make your conversations more engaging and show you're confident in sharing your thoughts. Category 3, handling everyday situations. Now, let's cover phrases for everyday situations, like ordering food, shopping, or asking for help. Here are some must-knows. At a restaurant, can you make it quick? Or, I'll have the usual.
Make it quick, Tommy.
Make it quick.
Fine. Make it quick.
Make it quick.
Make it quick.
Make it quick.
I'll make it quick.
While shopping, do you have this in a smaller size, or can I get a discount?
I'll give you a discount. I'll give you a discount. I'll give you a discount.
Desk, we got a discount.
I know.
Maybe 5–10%.
I know, Nance.
Asking for help? Could you give me a hand? Or, I'm a bit lost, can you help?
Give me a hand.
Give me a hand!
Give me a hand.
Give me a hand!
Hey, could you give me a hand?
Luke, could you give me a hand?
Let's role play. Imagine I'm at a cafe. "Hi, I'll have a latte to go, please. Can you make it quick?" See how natural that sounds? Try these out next time you're running errands. Category 4, emotions and reactions. Expressing emotions and reactions is huge in daily conversations. Instead of just saying, "I'm happy" or "That's good," let's spice it up. "I'm over the moon," for when you're super excited.
Over the moon.
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 That's a bummer. When something's disappointing,
That's a bummer.
That's a bummer.
That's a bummer.
That's a bummer.
It's a bummer. It's a bummer. That's a bummer.
It's a bummer.
you've got to be kidding me, for when you're shocked. For example, if your friend cancels plans, you might say, "That's a bummer. Let's reschedule soon." These phrases add personality to your English and make your reactions more vivid. Category 5, saying goodbye and wrapping up. Finally, let's talk about saying goodbye and wrapping up conversations. Don't just say bye. Try these. Catch you later. Casual and friendly.
Catch you later.
Catch you later, man.
Great. Catch you later.
Okay. Catch you later.
Take care. Shows you care about the other person.
Take care. Take care.
Take care.
Take care. Take care.
Take care, Chuck.
Let's keep in touch. Perfect for maintaining connections.
And keep in touch.
Keep in touch, okay?
Keep in touch.
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 For example, at the end of a chat, you might say, "It was great talking to you. Let's keep in touch." These phrases leave a positive impression and make people want to talk to you again. How to practice. So, how do you make these phrases stick? Here's a quick plan. 1. Pick 5 phrases each day from the video we're giving you. 2. Write them down and say them out loud 3 times. 3. Use them in real conversations or even talk to yourself. 4. At the end of the week, review and see how many you remember. Consistency is everything. The more you use these phrases, the more natural they'll feel. And that's a wrap. You're now armed with some of the top 20 daily English phrases to stop avoiding. Start using them today and watch your fluency skyrocket. Don't forget to review 20 phrases in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. Let me know in the comments. Which phrase are you going to use first? I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep practicing and stay confident. Catch you later.
Fantastic work on keeping up with our English lesson today. I hope you found this story helpful and the new vocabulary interesting. If you're interested in preparing for the IELTS exam this year, you can also join our membership channel where you can study for the exam alongside Kevin, share learning experiences and tips. We will regularly release exclusive videos for members along with customized IELTS study plans. We look forward to having you join us. Keep practicing your English, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye and happy learning.